According to the experts, more people in more places are experiencing devastating weather events. Storm, hail, and high winds are no longer exclusive to the specific regions in North America that they used to be. A storm can come out of nowhere, and when it does, as a contractor, things can get very busy very fast for you. Here are a few tips for contractors during storm season. You and your crews are like first responders when a homeowner's roof needs an emergency rescue. Encourage people to perform visual inspections of the roof safely from ground level, both before and after a storm. Any shingles that have curled up or blown off will need to be replaced. Invite homeowners to book a proper roof inspection to address any potential problems before they start. Advise them to check their homeowner's insurance policy to ensure that their coverage is adequate and up to date before a weather event occurs. Let them know that after a storm has damaged their roof, they'll need to contact both their insurance representative and a roofing contractor who will work together on their claim. IKO NORDIC and DYNASTY Performance Class Shingles are a homeowner's best defense against the elements. You can recommend them and their limited warranties with total confidence. Work with your local IKO sales rep to make sure that you have all the digital versions of IKO literature so that you can answer any questions that your prospects may have. IKO wishes you a healthy and safe roofing season.